In hand, the AM9 Pro feels reassuringly solid. The matte black enclosure is understated and professional, with a sturdy chassis that resists flex and heat buildup. Ventilation is well executed, allowing passive cooling to do its job silently, even during extended playback or gaming sessions. The rear and side layout is practical and generous. HDMI 2.1, Gigabit Ethernet, USB Type-C for power, USB-C OTG, SPDIF, and AUX ports. On the side, we have also 3 full-size USB 3.0 ports and a micro SD card slot. This is not a box designed to hide behind a TV and be forgotten. It is built to be connected, expanded, and used daily. An excellent first impression comes immediately after the initial boot, with the UGOOS AM9 Pro automatically detecting 2 firmware updates, v2.0.5 and v2.0.6. This rapid post-launch support clearly reflects UGOOS's strong commitment to both its products and its users. The updates bring meaningful improvements, including enhanced system stability, HDMI CEC fixes, better automatic frame rate handling, reduced interlaced video stuttering, improved audio pass-through, and corrected Dolby Vision/HDR color behavior. Such active and transparent firmware development significantly enhances the overall user experience and reinforces the AM9 Pro as a well-supported long-term platform. The UGOOS AM9 Pro is built around the Amlogic S905 X5 SoC, combining 4 ARM Cortex-A510 cores at up to 2.4 GHz with a Mali G310 GPU, delivering smooth performance for media playback and everyday Android TV use. It runs Android 14, API Level 34, out of the box, backed by a recent security patch and a 64-bit kernel. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, the AM9 Pro offers a well-balanced, modern platform focused on stability, efficiency, and long-term software support. When it comes to gaming, titles like Hungry Shark Evolution and Beach Buggy Racing, paired with my Bluetooth gamepad, provide a console-like experience. The low input latency and smooth wireless performance make for responsive controls, and the graphics rendering is impressively fluid at 1080p and even upscaled 4K. The customizable controls manager allowed me to tailor the gamepad's button mapping exactly to my preferences, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensured there were no disconnects during intense gameplay sessions. Whether solo or with friends, the AM9 Pro handled longer play sessions without any stutter or overheating, reinforcing its reputation as a versatile entertainment powerhouse. Streaming movies on the UGOOS AM9 Pro using Netflix and HBO Max has been exceptionally smooth and immersive. Dolby Vision content looks outstanding, with deep contrast, rich colors, and excellent detail that genuinely elevates the viewing experience. The Android 14 interface remains snappy even when switching rapidly between apps, and Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable, buffer-free playback of high bitrate 4K content. AV1 decoding and advanced HDR handling make a visible difference, especially in darker scenes and action-heavy sequences, where compression artifacts are often most noticeable. Watching live TV channels through the Focus Plus app on the UGOOS AM9 Pro proved to be a genuinely engaging and fluid experience. The stable Android TV platform, paired with a reliable dual-band Wi-Fi connection, ensured fast channel loading and consistently smooth streaming across live broadcasts, news, and sports content. Motion handling remained clear and controlled, while colors appeared well-balanced and natural, contributing to an overall viewing experience that felt both polished and dependable for everyday live TV consumption. Playing 4K video content on YouTube with the AM9 Pro has been a delight, showcasing the box's hardware and codec prowess. Streams load quickly, navigation is ultra-responsive, and there's no noticeable lag or dropped frames, even at maximum resolution. HDR10 and HLG support deliver stunning color accuracy and natural highlights, while the HDMI 2.1 output ensures crystal clear visuals on my television. The advanced sound output, paired with Dolby audio, makes music videos and nature documentaries sound vibrant, rounding out the immersive multimedia edge that UGOOS always promises. Local playback via USB or network shares is equally impressive, with broad codec support and smooth handling of high bitrate files.